Hey guys, it's me again, and today we are gonna, not we, but basically we and I. So basically, LCBB's channel is going to rank my fidget board. So, okay, my fidget board is, here. What's the black thing on? Little black rope thing. It's fine. And anyway, as you guys saw in the last vlog, well, not the last vlog, but in my fidget board and sis vlog, it was a bit crazy because my sister was here, and if you was wondering why I haven't done a video in 4 days, it's because yesterday morning I woke up feeling really ill, and that also happened earlier, and then the other 2 days I was just busy and I couldn't really be bothered. So yeah, I was just watching a bit of YouTube and then I got the idea, why don't I do another vlog today since I haven't done one in a while? And I just got my hair trimmed by my mum, who used to be a hairdresser. So and it's still really long, but and she straightened it so it looks neater. Okay, let's just get that behind us because I had like a fever and my head was hurting and my eyes were watering, so I just didn't really feel well. But should we start on this side or on this side or this side? Let's start with this side. This is you guys' left, but it's my right. So the gummy bear highlighters, they're pretty good. They have a nice sound. They can come off. So I'd rate them a 9 out of 10. And I love gummy bears, so 9.5. And then since there's this blue thing on this side, the gems, they're alright, but they don't really make that much of like a good sound. They are really pretty, so I have to give them like a 7. And then the one that you guys all love, the little fidget, the little poppet game machine. I honestly love this one. So I love poppets. These two keep these. Okay. And that is what the sound was a minute ago. So I have to give this one a 10 out of 10. And then the little stamp, nope, this one's over by a little tiny bit. So the little brick things, they do come off, but they're pretty hard to come. That just knocked one of the gems off. It's fine, that was a boring gem. Oh no, that was a pink one. It's fine. But it is pretty good and it does make a bit of a sound. And it does twist a bit like a rolling pin. So it's basically a couple fidgets in one. So I have to give that a 7.5. Then little stamps. They do make a sound and they are pretty cute. I have a shooting star, a unicorn, and like a unicorn planet. I've had these since I was like 4 or 5. So 2 or 3 years ago. And it's like wood and it feels like rubber on the top. So I have to give it like maybe an 8. No, 7. Yeah, 7. And then the butterfly, it looks a little pretty. And it does make noises and it's wooden. So I have to give it a 7.5. And then a little packet. Then little packet. ASMR. So I have to rate this a 10 out of 10. I just have to. I literally had to do that. I had to do that. So anyways, that's my rating. And then, don't ask me why I have snowballs already. It's basically Christmas. Like, yeah. A leopard print matches my Uggs that are over there. No, not you guys, but like over there in my bedroom. Over there in my bedroom. That's where my Uggs are. I just love my Uggs. And this is on the side of my lip. So, I don't know how it got there. Like, yeah. I literally have Rudolph Christmas lights in my bedroom. Literally. They're Rudolph Christmas. They are, baby. Like, let me turn them on, then I'll show you again. Oh my gosh. Stay there a second, guys. Okay, they're on. Oh, you can. It's literally like a candle from what you guys see. It literally looks like pumpkins, but they're little Rudolph. So yeah, going back to Honolulu, get that Maui. We princess the cool steps, the inches, no one on the face over 9 inches. Oh no, wait, didn't you guys just see me sideways? Oh yeah, you did. Dun 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 dun. The new Stranger Things has came out, but low-key, I got, my dad got me one of the little things, and I got the Demogorgon, and my sister got, can't remember, but I really wanted this one, Dustin Max, yeah, one of them. He also got me this Dustin speaker. It's fine. I don't need it on right now. And then a couple years ago, he got me the Hellfire Club TV. I just put the character down so you guys don't have a peek. What happened to this place? Oh, that's the like Hellfire Club sticker. Man. Okay, let me clean up this mess. That's like the card that has like the scratch thingy. And then it has a little picture. And guess who I got? I didn't even watch Stranger Things that much. I don't really watch them much now. That's because I already watched it all when I was like 5 or 6. I got... What is happening? I forgot who this is again. It's Steve. Yeah, it's Steve. With a little bear. If you don't like and subscribe, I'm going to hit you with the bear. But if you already have, then good job. You definitely know what to do. And then I have 2 Funkos. Or I wanted the 11, one of the things that I got, like the demo. I also wanted the 11, one of these. But I got the... This is alright, but I like a shake ball inside of it. Because my 11 does. This is not like, there's no sound effect in here. I just tilted it, you didn't see it like that. And then how did I not notice that? 1 second, and then I got the Dustin one, which doesn't have a shaker. But it's where he has like the little walkie-talkie. No thanks! And he sings like, never-ending stories. And then I got this Stranger Things light. Oh, I forgot my Rudolph lights are still on. But anyways, guys, love y'all. Love y'all. See you in the next vlog, hopefully. Make sure you like and subscribe and tell everyone you know. Literally everyone. To like and subscribe to my channel. Going back to Honolulu just to get that. Maui wow. Maui wow. And I ride the witch's broom. And I ride the witch's broom. Squat, sit, kick in the crotch. That's what I'm going to do to you if you don't like and subscribe. Anyways, guys, I love you all. Bye.